got a cheap snack idea, well, treat idea video for the summer. If your children are like mine, they be out of house and home, especially on the school holidays. So some treat ideas that don't break the bank are always useful. The custard cost me 53p. The rice pudding costs me just 25p. The jelly was 95p. And I get the popcorn. You can get any popcorn, use any popcorn, but this was just 40p in pound stretcher. So I wasn't going to leave it there for that price, but like I said, you can use ready popped popcorn, anything, kernels. So let's get started. For these snacks, you're going to need some Ziploc bags and any little containers, pots you have. I have these for lunch boxes, half of them are missing their lids. I picked these up in the charity shops for, I think it was 50p for all of them, or £1 for all of them, whatever, it was a good deal. Cups work. And I have these left over from my son's birthday party, little paper throwaway cups, so we're going to make use of these as well. So like I said, you can use anything, you can use bowls, mugs, whatever you've got will work. Let's kick off with the easy ones first. So, I mean they're all easy, but they're super easy. Custard, self-explanatory, there's no need to cook it. This is just what I do, and it's a nice little treat, little snack. There we go. It's really self-explanatory. You just portion out the custard into your little pots. Portion sizes are up to you. I do smaller portions because they're just like meant to be a little treat, a little snack. I put too much in there. There we go. Make sure you get every last drop. I don't want to waste it. And then this part is optional because you could just leave them like that. Some sprinkles, if you've got them, chocolate chips, anything on the top. And there you have it. That's 4 little treat pots done from one, what was it, 53p custard. And these you pop straight into the fridge and they will stay there for a good few days. My children will be happy with these. You can't go wrong with custard. Like I said, a couple of days, 2 days, 3 days. I'd leave them 2 days in the fridge. They'll be gone. Next up, another super simple one. Rice pudding. Again, you don't have to heat this up. You can. By all means, when you make it in something that you can heat it up in. But we eat it cold like this. Nothing wrong with it. Just like one of those vanilla yogurts a bit, isn't it? And my children eat them. So, give it a stir so you get all of it mixed. And again, portion it out. Portion sizes are up to you. You could always add a bit of cream to this if you wanted to. I'm not going to do that. Keep it simple. And you can just leave it as it is. Made a big mess. Leave them like that. Pop them in the fridge. Again, they should last about 2 days, 3 days. So you could do that. But what I do, which the children like, which does make it that a little bit more fun, a bit more yogurty, is I like to put a dollop of jam in the centre, and they can mix that in when they come to eat it. And there we go. And that's another one ready for the fridge. This one might not look as appetizing, but once the jam is all mixed through, strawberry flavoured rice pudding, kids love it. Pop this in the fridge. This one is the one that just takes a little bit more prep, and by that I mean hardly any prep, but just more than the rest. So we're going to make up our jelly mix according to the packet. I need 285 mils of hot water. There we go. And we've got to pop the jelly into that. You can get various types of jelly. I've had the powder stuff before. I didn't see any today, but next time I will get the powder stuff, because I think you get, this was 95 pence, but I think you get 2 of the powder sachets, which make the same amount of jelly as this, for 99 or £1. So keep an eye out for the best deal, but just do not buy jelly pots, my crikey. The price of them, when you can make them at home, is ridiculous. So now I'm going to have to dissolve this jelly, and I'll be back with you in a moment. Once it's dissolved in the hot water, now you add the cold water, and I need to add 285 mils of cold water to this, so I'll just do that a second. We end up with nearly 600 mils of jelly mixture, and we're going to see how much we get from this. One more, do we think, if I put it in here? Yes, just shower a little bit of that. There we go. 6 jelly pots for 95p, don't mind if I do. Now all that is left to do is get my popcorn made in the microwave. I like these little microwave popper ones, much easier than doing the kernels, but again, kernels are cheaper, you get more. Work with what you have or what you find convenient. I'm just going to pop these in the microwave for 3 minutes and I'll be back with you. I was on the phone, guys, and I burnt the popcorn. Oh gee, where's that stinking? Oh Jesus, wet. Right, I'm going to have to go and get some more of that. It's going to have to be a different one because I'm going to have to go to Tesco's. Oh, that smells. Oh, I've stunk my kitchen out by burning that. Good job it was only 40 pence. Do as I say and not as I do. If you've been around here before on this channel, you'll know that I have burnt things before. I'd becoming distracted and I had an important telephone call and I thought, oh, it said 3 minutes on the bag. I'll just leave it. Oh, my dear me. We are stinking of burnt popcorn. Woo! So let's get this lot in the fridge before I go and get some more popcorn. As you know, this channel is definitely not what I call social media perfect, Instagram perfect. I will let you know when I fail and burn things. We all do it, we're only human. Hi guys, back again. It's the next day now. I've just been into Tesco's to grab some more popcorn. I think this one's £1, 99 pence or £1, so still good value. This is 85 grams, but yeah, it's a big bag. So let's finish what we started before I burnt the popcorn yesterday. Little bags, little freezer bags, whatever you've got, little cartons. This works, but I like to portion out the popcorn because if I let my kids portion it out, they'd have half a bag each. And these are meant to be treats. They're not that healthy for you. Popcorn is a healthier treat, but still, we're not here to be greedy, are we? So, make a big mess of this, but we'll get it done. There we go. Popcorn baggie. Yes, out. And we just fill the bags to our portion sizes until we run out of popcorn. These are perfect again for throwing in lunchboxes, picnics, if the kids need a snack, just to grab one. Oops. There we are. And I'm going to fill the rest of these and I'll be back with you. Okay, that is 8 bags of popcorn. 8 snacks, treat ideas. Perfect if you've got a big family and you're going somewhere like the cinema or circus, if you can take food in, or you're going to some day out. 8 from that one bag for £1. I hope this video has been useful and preparing you for the summer and how to save money on snacks and treats, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video. Bye!